Hi, I'm Harry. This is Helpful Hobbies. Today's video, I made some mistakes. Mistakes were made. Today's video, you'll see me putting the Creality Ender direct drive onto my Anycubic Mega 02. One of them being the temperature in here. As you can see, the machine over here is not in a zipped up PVC vinyl enclosure anymore. There's reasons for that. We'll get to that at the end of the video. Here's the rest of it. Enjoy. I ordered a direct drive. Now you're like, what the frick is direct drive? Well, this whole Bluetooth thing here, it's like Bluetooth. This whole Bluetooth thing here does not actually have to be here anymore. This motor here and this extruder here, remember, the filament comes down around, goes into here. You've seen that in the video I showed before. It goes into here, gets moved by this stepper motor here and this extruder gear through this, and this would come down into the nozzle. Well, I've moved pretty much this and this over to this and this. As you can see, how you doing? As you can see, it will go straight in. There is no longer need for that tube. That little tube is right down in the front of here. As you can see right through there. Here's all that wonderful wiring and everything now that I have. That now, guess what? I have to redo all of that. It never stops. It never stops. The fun and excitement and joy. So, yeah, I might just actually, you know what? You're gonna hang out here. Montage, music, and go. So this was more confusing than I actually thought. Yeah, it's really actually kind of sad how badly this was. That's for our Jesus Christ Almighty.
Are you recording still?
Say hello.
Hi.
Oh my God. Scared the crap out of me. La 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 la. I left this one wire here. That's for the actual, oh my God, I don't know where that goes. Oh man. It's a little time consuming, I'll admit that. But time consuming is a good thing. Why I do this as a hobby. It's for the simple fact that I can come down here, make stuff that I like, that other people like. You guys okay? My GoPro is like super hot. Baby. No, not that kind of super hot. Not that kind of super hot. This thing even on? As you saw the mistakes that were made. Not knowing where that wire went, that was probably a bad thing. The machine did work after all those little upgrades and rewiring. That enclosure that I had in here, it made it really hot. If you go back a few weeks ago to a short I made, it was over 100 degrees Fahrenheit inside of there. And that's not a really good thing sometimes. I think I burned out the actual power source itself. I've had a lot of problems with it. Not immediately after I did the upgrades, but shortly there. The heat, again, in here messed with my little GoPro Nikon camera. It actually overheated one of the batteries. I bought a new 3D printer because I destroyed my old one.